everyone, welcome back to Solo Driven. I have some explaining to do. I guess number one, I moved out of my apartment. I'm in a house with a lot more space. The whole moving process took a long time. And during that process, we actually got rear-ended by a driver under some type of influence. So, to make a long story short, you know, we've been having to go through a whole process with an attorney and physical therapy and all that. So I've been taking a little time out to kind of get myself together, putting my health, so to speak, as a number one priority for the car build. But long story short, that's the reason I haven't been uploading. And to my very appreciated followers, I apologize about that. But now we're back in business. We can get the ball rolling again. The ball rolling again. So a quick update. Right before I left the apartment, I did run into an issue with the Cobra. It was out of service for about 3.5 weeks. I did make a video on it. It will most likely be the next video. Spoiler alert. Secondly, I did get parts in the mail. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and in about 3 weeks, because times are hard, alright? That's just real life. You know what I'm talking about. I will be ordering the final parts that I need to finally get what I've been wanting to swap out on the Cobra for so long installed. So if you don't want to miss these videos, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share so you can be a part of this build. Third, last but not least, I'm going to need you guys' help on this one. So the Cobra, as we speak, as I'm driving, as I'm talking to you guys, has 99,877 miles. We're getting very close to that 100K mark. So of course, no one wants to see what would be considered high mileage on their beloved car. But you can't prevent the inevitable. If you are an enthusiast of cars and I repeat, not a collector of cars, in my opinion, there is no point in trying to save miles if you are not in the car flipping industry, the car flipping business. There's no point in doing that. If you're a car enthusiast like I am, you know, you need to, it's very important that you enjoy your car. And this is why. Before this car, if you check out on my Instagram at Forever Solo, I'll leave a link down below. You will see that before this car, I used to own a 2003 Mercury Marauder. Now, if you don't know what that car is, just simply Google it, and you'll see all the information on it. But basically, it was a very limited production car. Now, that was one of my dream cars. I sold my car. I saved up money for 3 months, and I finally found one, but it was out of state in Arizona. I bought a plane ticket, flew all the way over there, took nobody with me, had no type of protection really, and I was in a state where I didn't know anything. So it was very sketchy. But, you know, thank God I got there, the guy was cool, the transaction couldn't have gone any smoother, and I drove the car back home. I enjoyed the hell out of that Marauder. This car has more rules, so to speak. I garage this car. I really only drive it on the weekends, if that. Now the Marauder, I enjoyed the hell out of that. I drove it every day. I spent $3,000 on upgrades. So long story short, one day I was driving and a girl pulled out in front of me last minute and completely totaled my car. I can't all the way blame the girl, but I also didn't have uninsured motorist, so I dropped the ball as well. So I tried to take her to small claims court to try and get a little money to fix the Marauder, but they were never able to serve her, so I had to let that car go. I took a complete loss, and I just gave up and gave it to God, and told myself I would work harder until I get something better. So what is my point? Why am I blabbering on? The point, and this is my personal opinion, is that if you do not have any type of motive with your car, enjoy the hell out of that car, because it could be the one rare day that you rarely take your car out for a rare cruise, and it could be taken away from you the same way mine was. God forbid that happens to any of y'all. I would hope that, you know, y'all get to keep your cars forever and enjoy them until you decide to let them go. But the reality of it all is that you never know. These things happen. That's why they are called accidents. I know I would have been mad with myself if it did have low miles, which it didn't. If I was just trying to keep it low mileage and I didn't enjoy it as much as I would have liked to. Because deep down inside, I know that y'all want to go out there and cruise the car and take them out for a spin. And because I feel the same way about this car, you know? So go out there, enjoy your cars if you don't have a second motive. Because you just never know. You know what I mean? It's just real talk. Another part, while I'm speaking on that I just thought about, is that we get old eventually. At some point, age and time, we're not going to want to hear these loud cars and possibly not even be able to physically drive them. So enjoy them while you're young. And that's all I have to say about that. But that's why I need y'all's help. Instead of being bitter about 100K, I want to celebrate 100K. So drop some ideas in the comment section below on what you think I should do to celebrate. I really, really, really do not want to do a burnout because these tires are relatively expensive. But I'm open to any ideas. So drop them down below and we'll celebrate 100K very, very soon.